Stop by and take a look at the 2019 GMC Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec engine with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power passenger mirrors, remote trunk release, running boards, power brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle.